me. Now, well, the United States has halted all visas and asylum reviews for Afghanistan amid a massive immigration crackdown. This announcement is part of a broader response to the shooting incident near the White House, which has killed a National Guard and left another injured. U.S. President Donald Trump had also announced that he would permanently pause migration from all third world countries. USCIS Director Joseph Eldo also stated that his agency has halted all asylum decisions until they can ensure that every person is vetted and screened to the maximum degree possible. And I now have Arzu back with me. Now, Arzu, a big development there from the US. What more can you tell us?
Well, the U.S. has suspended insurance for individuals traveling on Afghan passports following a targeted shooting near the White House that killed one National Guard soldier and left another injured. The suspect in the attack was identified as an Afghan national who arrived in the country in September 2021. And in fact, in this statement, the Department of the State said that it is taking all necessary steps to protect the U.S. national security and public safety, describing the suspension as an urgent precautionary measure. In fact, if we talk about the statement that has been issued, is said that immediately pause the visa insurance for the individual traveling on Afghan passport. The department is taking all necessary steps to protect the U.S. national security and public safety. This is what it is said on the post on X. Additionally, the U.S. Citizenship and the Immigration Service, USCIS, has also halted all asylum decisions until all migrants can be rigorously vetted and screened. So, USCIS has halted all the asylum decisions until we can assure that every alien is vetted and screened to the maximum degree possible. The safety of the American people always comes first. This is what the director of USCIS has said. So these actions are the part of the border crackdown on immigration, with the administration emphasizing national security and public safety as paramount concern. Yes.
Thank you, Arzu, for joining me. And now, while shifting focus,